If you want an iced drink, grab the cup from the freezer first, then take it to the register and pay. If you want a hot drink, just tell the cashier what size you'd like and pay at the register. They'll give you the cup. Then place the cup in the coffee machine and press the button for the drink you purchased. Be careful if you press the wrong button. You usually won't get a refund or exchange. When your coffee is ready, feel free to grab sugar, milk, or lids from the condiment station next to the machine. For iced drinks, just remove the lid and place the cup. In the machine, everything else works the same way.